Hi everyone, today we are discussing a Rhombus pattern. Let's import Java util package. After importing, we take one class. We take one class here. We take one main method. By using this main method, go through the line by line or block by block, explaining the purpose of each part. Okay, variable initialization. Int n is equal to 8. Determine the size of the pattern. N is used to control the number of rows and columns in the pattern. A outer loop for I equal to 0, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. First inner loop, we print here int j equal to 0, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. System dot out dot print spaces. This loop print the spaces before the stars to align the stars to the right. The number of spaces decreases as I increase because of n minus I. For example, when I equal to 0, it print 9 spaces. When I equal to 4, it prints 5 spaces. Second inner loop for int j equal to 0, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. This loop print the stars in each row. It always print n plus 1 stars because the condition j less than equal to n. Print star. Okay. Next. System dot out dot print next line, print ln. Okay, move to the next line after printing the spaces and stars for a row. Now display the output of the program to help the visualization of the pattern. Highlight the logic of the pattern. It outer loop I control the row. The first in